Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's lesson is about the verb to be, correct usage of is, are, was, and where. Here we have is and are. Is used in the first person singular, I, and third person singular, he, she, it. It is used in the present tense. Meanwhile, are is used in the second person singular and plural, you, your, yours. First and third person plural, we and they. It is also in the present tense. The verbs is and are both in the present tense. Is in singular form, while are is in plural form. Use I am if you are the speaker. Use he is if you are talking about a man or a boy. Use she is if you are talking about a girl or a woman. Use it is if you are talking about an animal, a thing, or a place. Now for the plural forms of the verb, use you are if you are talking to another person. Use we are if you are talking about yourself with other person or persons. Use they are if you are talking about other people. Here are examples. I am a licensed teacher in the elementary level. You are the speaker in this sentence. She is planning to enroll in college this summer. You can replace she with a noun, which is a name of a person. He is the engineer who works for my company. Here you can replace he with a noun, which is also a name of a person. It is a very nice movie. I watched it twice already. You can replace it with a noun also. It can be an animal, a place, or a thing. You are my one and only love. We are selling used clothes in the market. They are making plans for the future. Now let's talk about was and where. Was is used in the first person singular, I, third person singular, he, she, it. It is used in the past tense. While where is used in the second person, singular and plural, you, your, yours. First and third person plural, we and they. It is also in the past tense. Here, the verbs was and where are both in the past tense. Was is in singular form, while where is in plural form. Use I was if you are the speaker talking about past event. Use he was if you are talking about a boy or a man in the past tense. Use she was if you are talking about a woman or a girl in the past tense. Use it was if you are talking about an animal, place, or thing in the past tense. Use you were if you're talking to another person in the past tense. Use we were if you're talking about yourself with other persons. And use they were if you're talking about other persons in the past tense. Here are examples. I was sleeping when you called. He was my teacher in high school. She was more beautiful in her younger years. It was the most unforgettable day in my life. You were not in good mood yesterday. We were meant to meet each other. They were helping the less fortunate people. So there you have it, guys. Let's recap what we talked about today. We use is in the first and third person singular. I, he, she, it. We use are in the second person singular and plural. You, your, yours. First and third person plural. We, they. Both is and are in the present tense. We use was in the first and third person singular. I, he, she, it. We use were in the second person singular and plural. You, your, yours. First and third person plural. We, they. Both was and were are in the past tense. So here I prepared some exercises for you. Try to answer as fast as you can. We are going to migrate to Canada. The correct answer is are. We are going to migrate to Canada. He was here yesterday. The correct answer is was. He was here yesterday. I was ready to go to work. The correct answer is am. I am ready to go to work. You were looking for me, weren't you? The correct answer is were. You were looking for me, weren't you? It are really cold outside. The correct answer is. It is really cold outside. She was asked to deliver a speech. The correct answer is was. She was asked to deliver a speech. They are planning to go on a picnic this weekend. The correct answer is are. They are planning to go on a picnic this weekend. Ellen is hesitant to open her store today. The correct answer is. Ellen is hesitant to open her store today. The teachers were called to attend the seminar yesterday. The correct answer is were. The teachers were called to attend the seminar yesterday. I am taking this quiz now. The correct answer is am. I am taking this quiz now. So that's all for today, guys. For more videos, please do click subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.